welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and today I have made these 3 napkin holders that you see in front of me, all inspired by flowers, and I had so much fun making them. So if you like them and you want to see how I did it, keep watching. I started by sketching out a template for all 3 designs using a pencil, ruler, and paper. The base of each napkin holder was the same, so they are 1.5 inches or 3.5 centimeters by 6.5 inches or 17 centimeters. The flower shapes on the side varied in size, but I made sure they were large enough to fit a folded napkin. I have my 3 templates, so now I'm just going to cut them out. To ensure the clay thickness is consistent, I rolled it out using acrylic boards on the sides. Once the clay was evenly rolled, I placed the template on top and carefully cut out each piece with my knife. I repeated these steps of rolling and cutting from the template for the next 2 holders. I'm smoothing the edges by dipping my fingers into a bowl of water, and I'm also just kind of rounding out all the edges, making sure it's nice and clean. To attach the pieces together, I'm using the knife where the 2 edges will meet, and I'm scoring, kind of just putting in little cut lines to really rough it up. And then I'm adding a slip, which is a clay with just like a lot of water to attach the 2 pieces. So the knife to really make it a rough edge where they touch, and then a slip to act as a glue between the 2. And I made my clay a little too thin, so I do have to use plywood to kind of hold the pieces together. I repeated the steps of smoothing everything down with my fingers, scoring the 2 edges that will meet, and adding a slip to adhere them, and then using the wood board to hold it all upright. They're all dry and they look great. I'm just going to give them a good sanding so they're nice and smooth. With a clean microfiber cloth, I wiped away all the excess dust. Now it's time to bring the napkin holders to life with some paint. I gave each one 2 coats, lightly sanding in between the layers for a smooth finish. For the red poppy holder, I'm adding details with a black paint pen. And for this one, I'm using orange paint to create a fun alternating pattern on the petals. The final step is adding a gloss glaze with a paintbrush. This really elevates the whole project. It gives all the napkin holders a fully fired ceramic piece effect, and I applied 2 coats of this glaze for that perfect finish.
these napkin holders just as much as I do. I had so much fun making them, and I just love how they're just functional art. I'm really curious to know which design is your favorite. Is it my mom's, is it my sister's, or is it mine? I'm a little bit biased, and I think I like this one the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future projects. I'll see you in my next video.